Hello, this is Karthik. Uh, so today I want to show you installing Apache Solr using Docker image. First of all, what the agenda is to pull the Docker image of Apache Solr from the official image, and after that we will try to run it as a container. Then I will show you how to create a core is nothing but an I would say if you have an idea of elasticsearch, a core is nothing but like a leucine index. Okay, so then after that I will show you, I will try to load manufacture.xml. It's a default dataset that is provided by Apache Solr. Then I will show you in admin UI whether the documents got inserted or not. Okay, first of all, what we will do was we will what we will do is we will go to the Docker hub. So Docker hub, so in order to leverage the Docker, so you need to have a login. You have to be logged in. Okay, then you need to have you can sign in with Google Gmail. Okay, and you can first then you need to download a Docker desktop and check whether the Docker desktop is running or not. Here Docker desktop is running. So then you can go for the then type it in search bar like Apache Solr. So here you will found the first result. This is the official image. Every time it is better to download the official image. We will also see the open source images that is provided by the developers. So I would say better to download the official image. Okay. So now we will go to the command prompt. So in order to check whether the containers are running or not, we will use command like docker ps. And moreover, once the Docker desktop is running, first check whether the Docker is installed or not. Okay. See, now you get it's so Docker is successfully installed and it is working fine. So let me check what are the images that I have. Okay. So I have already Apache Solr, so no issues. But I will show you how to pull the image. Okay, click on the Apache Solr official image, then you will see like copy and paste to pull the image. So this is what I will do. Okay, control. Let me type it. Okay, no issues. Docker pull Solar. So it is fetching the latest image. Okay, so image is up to date. So now Now try to run this command. So I will explain you what this command will do. So docker run is used to run the image as a container. Hyphen name is the custom name of the container. Hyphen d is used for daemon, and hyphen net is used to create some network. So hyphen p, this is the output, and this is the inbound port. Okay, internal Linux machine will work on like 8983. Outside port localhost, it is pointing to 8983. Hyphen v is used to mount the directory. It's used to mount the data directory. So in after I have a folder called Solar. So I'm mounting that folder to the I'm mounting the directory to the where Solar data. In Linux, it is the data directory location, and hyphen t, and this is the image name. Okay, so let us run this command. Okay, let's see what it happens. So container started, and it is running fine. Let me check whether container is running or not. So container ID, this is the container ID, this is image Solar, and started localhost, this is the container name. Okay, so what is the next step? To create the core. Core is nothing but like a leucine index. As I mentioned earlier, core is nothing but a leucine index. If you are from a relational database background, core is treat core as a uh, table. I would say like a table. Okay, so in Elasticsearch, it's like an index. Okay, so let us run this. single underscore core. No issues. It is mentioning like single already core exist. Okay, not a problem. Not a problem. Single three. Just any name you want, you can give. Okay. See, create a new core, single Solr single three. Okay. Now, what we will do was we will try to load data. We will try to load like Apache Solr provides an example. So I have downloaded this zip folder also. See, in Solr 8.6, this is for Windows, but we are using Docker. So in example docs, we have like different example XML files like manufacturer, money, monitor to XML, etc. So now we will try to load manufacturers.xml to the a core that we created like Solr underscore 3. Okay, let's run this command. See, see, boom, one file got indexed. So this is the information. Let us go to the admin UI. Okay, how we will go to the admin UI? See, I already logged in it. I am already logged in, so no issues. See, this is the admin UI. So in upcoming sections, I will try to cover each and every module. For today's session, we will try to go for the this is the core selector. Core selector is nothing but the index selector. Let us click on this one. See, number of talks 11, max talks 11, number of talks and max talks also same. See, let us go to the query tab. Okay, query tab and try to hit execute query. See, this is the response we get like response header status query time 61. It's like milliseconds. Like this is the query and a response like found 11 documents as I mentioned earlier. This is like manufacturer's information like ID, comp name underscore s, address underscore s, like version. Version will be the incremented like every time when you update a document, version property will got incremented, will get automatically incremented. Okay, so like it is when I'm comparing this document to a relational database table. So ID, comp name, address underscore s underscore version, you can think of like a columns. Okay, the columns corresponding values. Whereas in NoSQL world, I would say ID, comp name underscore s, address underscore s underscore version as a properties and corresponding values. Okay, so by default we will get the 10 documents of the result set. Okay, you can specify the specific records also. So here I specifying two. So what we will get was we will get the top two results. So in later sections I will go in detail like index of debug query, dismac, eds, hl for highlight, facet queries, spatial, spell checker. Okay, so in left hand side we have a ping option, right? Ping option is used to ping the Solar server, and we will get the response to check whether this Apache Solar is working or not. Like here, the response time is 3 milliseconds. See, 1 millisecond. So, so today's takeaway is, let me refresh it. Okay. So what we have done was we went to the Docker Hub and we try to search for Apache Solr official image. Then we started the Docker desktop. After that, we try to pull Apache Solr official image. Then we try to leverage that image and try to run that image as a container. Okay, then we mount the data directory of the solar container, and after that, what we have done was we created a core is nothing but a leucine index. After that, we try to load default manufacturer.xml, which is provided by the Apache Solr, and after that, I try to I try to show you the admin UI. After that, I try to leverage the general search query in order to show the documents. So feel free to comment your queries in the comment section. I will try to upload this in my YouTube channel. Starting today, I will try to I try to learn by doing, and I will let's start learning Apache Solar. So thank you one and all.